Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert PDF to booklet format with reverse page order using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file. Now select Organize option and select and Mark Pages option. Here you will find this standard page option. You can change page format, you can add custom format, you can change also page orientation, and this margin you can change, and you can select a specific page and select all page or select all page. And select here two kinds of option, multiple pages per sheet and this booklet. Select booklet and also select here book option, and you can choose a right binding and see this also you can left binding. And finally here we will find this reverse page order and see this first page this, and if you check mark this on and see the last page now showing here, and finally select OK and see this reverse page order booklet printing now created. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.